Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add or remove apps on taskbar on your computer running Windows 11 or 10. Maybe you want to add apps from desktop to taskbar. I will show it later. So basically you can just go to search and search the apps you want to add. Let's say I want to add Firefox, and you can just right click and click pin to taskbar, and now there is Firefox in my taskbar. You can simply uh, like this. You can move it, just hold it, and if you want to remove it, you can just right click here and unpin from taskbar. And if you want to add from your desktop, you can just right click like this, then there will be pin to taskbar. If you cannot find it, you can click show more option, and then there is pin to taskbar. That's it. Thank you.